Hello viewers. Okay, do you find repeating decimals very confusing? But if I say that there is a very simple method by which you can convert repeating decimals into fractions. So what we are going to do, I'm going to take two examples today and will tell you very simple method to convert them into fractions. So by the end of this video, you can solve any recurring decimal into fraction. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start with our first problem. See, express 0.0089 bar in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers. See, when there is a bar over integers, it means they are repeating itself. Okay, so how we are going to start such problem? See, you will write x equals to 0.00898989 because 89 is repeating itself. See, our motive here is to eliminate the decimal part, or we can say we want to make all the digits zero which are coming after decimal. So what are the steps? See, the first step is count how many digits are there after decimal which are non-repeating. Non-repeating means those who are appearing only, which are not repeating themselves. So after decimal there are only two digits, 0 and 0. They are non-repeating themselves. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this equation by 1 and then 2 0. I'm taking 2 0. Why? Because there are two digits which are non-repeating. If there are three digits which are non-repeating, you will take 1 and then three zeros. If there are four digits which are non-repeating, you will take 1 and four zeros. Since there are only two digits, so I am going to multiply it by 100, which 1 and 2 0 makes it 100. Okay, so let's complete this multiplication first. So you will multiply it by 100 on both the sides. So left hand side will become 100x, and on the right hand side, see, when you multiply any number which has decimal in it, so this decimal will shift itself by two places because you're multiplying it by 100. Okay, so when you shift it by two places, it will become 0.898989. Okay, so you can call this new equation as equation 1. Okay, so we will call it as equation 1. Now look at the next step. See, now this time you will count how many numbers are repeating itself after decimal. So in the equation, if you see, there are two digits which are repeating itself. See, 8989, there are two digits which are always repeating itself. So this time again you will multiply equation 1 by 1 and then 2 0. I'm taking 2 0 because there are two digits which are repeating itself. If there are three digits, you will multiply it by 1 and 3 0. That makes 1000. Since there are two digits, so that is why I'm taking 1 and 2 0. Okay, so now let's again complete this multiplication. See, the left hand side will become 10,000x, and on the right hand side, again, when you multiply 0.89 by 100, this decimal will again shift itself by two places. So what is the new number form? New number form is 89.8989 and so on. So we can call this as equation 2. Okay, now we are left only with the last step. What is the last step? See, last step is you will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so first of all, write down equation 2, which is 10,000x equals to 89.89 bar. See, why I'm writing here 89 bar? See, if you see 89 is repeating here. See, here 89 is repeating. So we can write it as nothing but 89.89 bar. Okay, so I have written here it as 10,000x equals to 89.89 bar. Now we need to subtract a first equation. So you will write equation first now, equation 1 now. So it is 100x equals to 0.89. Now let's complete this subtraction. See, on the left hand side, you will be left with 9900x, and on the right hand side, if you see, after decimal, it is 89 bar in both the equations. So these 89 bar will cancel themselves. So you will be left with 89 only. We need to find the value of x only. So this 9900, which is getting multiplied here, it will come in the denominator on the right hand side, because when you take the digit on the other side of the equal sign, the sign gets changed. So since it is getting multiplied, it will be divided on the right hand side. So x will be nothing but 89 upon 9900. So what is the fraction form of the given recurring decimal? It is 89 over 9900. Now let's solve this problem step by step. Express 1.2345. 345 is repeating itself in the form of P by Q. So see, the steps are same. You will first take x equals to 1.2345. 345 is repeating. Now you will see how many numbers or how many digits are there after decimal which are non-repeating itself. So in this question, if you see, there is only one digit, that is 2. which is non-repeating. So you will multiply this equation by 1 and you will take 1 0 only. So you will multiply it by 10 only. So when you multiply given equation by 10 on both the side, see the left hand side will become 10x and on the right hand side the decimal will shift itself by one place because you have multiplied it by 10. So it will become 12.345 and now you can call it as equation 1. Okay, now what is the next step? Next step is you will count how many numbers are repeating itself after decimal. So after decimal, there are three digits which are repeating. See, in this equation, 345 is repeating. So there are three digits which are repeating. So you will multiply equation 1 by 1 and then three zeros because there are three digits which are repeating itself. So when you multiply it by 1000 on both the side, so the new equation formed is 10,000x equals to, on the right hand side, the decimal will shift itself by three places. So it will become 12345.345 and so on. So you can call it as equation 2. So the final step is very simple. What is the final step? You will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So you will write down equation 2 first and then you will subtract equation 1 from it. Now, if you see here, the decimal part is same now. See, after decimal, it is 345 in both the equations. So these two will get cancelled. So what you will do now, on the left hand side, you will subtract 10 from 10,000x and on the right hand side, you will subtract 12 from 12345. Okay. So when you do the subtraction or when you complete the subtraction, what you get? See, on the left hand side, you will get 9,990x equals to, on the right hand side, you will get 1, 2 and then 333. We need to find the value of x. So what is x here? X is 1, 2, 333 over 9,990. So this is the very easy method of solving any recurring decimal into fraction form. I hope this method is clear to you and this video helped you. Thank you for watching.